you ready?
Let's do this, bro. Let's do this. 2020, bro. Let's do this. What is up, guys? 2020 Q&A. Let's do this. Every year we do the questions. We answer the questions you have. We have like, what, 20 plus questions? We have a lot of them, so we have to go really quick and do this because we're running out of pistachios and they're super good. Okay, question number 1. Oh, by the way, before I go any further, we are going to be doing a giveaways in a few days here. The first of the year for 2020 is going to be the giveaways, and I'll be posting a video. That way you guys could win some stuff. So don't forget. All right, your questions. YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, emails, word of mouth. Here they go. Number 1.
First one is, when are you hitting 1,000 subscribers?
Wow.
Okay, talk to the mic.
Who knows? Who knows? I have no idea. As you guys already know, we don't do this for the subscribers. We do this for you. So, in a few months, hopefully, hit the subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Throwing a smack at you.
Number 2, do you have a girlfriend at this moment?
That depends who's asking. Next question.
You're not answering?
No.
Okay. He doesn't have a girlfriend.
Or do I?
Who's your favorite person at
My
church?
favorite person at church, for those that don't know, I am a Christian and I do go to church.
You are?
Surprisingly, I have a life other than cars and YouTube. A bit of shopping and all that good stuff. I don't have a favorite person at church, actually. Who's my favorite person at church? Everybody. I love.
That's so fake.
Dude, I love everybody there. Like, genuinely,
He
like,
does, I don't.
even the people I don't like, I still love them. I love everybody because that's what good Christians do.
Man.
So I love everybody.
Me too.
But if I had to choose person specifically, it would probably be Elise's. I'm waiting for some more food.
Okay.
I'm just
Next.
kidding. It's Josue.
Next question.
So what about you, Josue? What's your favorite person at
Yeah.
church? Okay.
How do you change oil on a Honda Civic?
You don't. It's very complicated, and you should
Agreed.
do that to the dealer, a certified dealer, to do that. Very hard to do. Do not attempt to change the oil on your Honda Civic. Take it to a dealer.
Yeah.
I'm being serious. Next question.
Thoughts on electric cars?
Very, very good question. I don't like electric cars, but it's the future, and there's no way to change that. Electrical cars, like Ford is coming out with some, Tesla, they're not going to go anywhere. They're going to keep coming. I hate to say this, but I think within another 5 to 10 year window, they will probably be mandatory by our government, especially in the US. It's just the way it's going with emissions and everything. But you know what I say? Who cares? Let us have fun. Let us burn out. Let us...
Angry.
I want to hear the fumes. I want to smell the vibration of a motor. It's amazing. What about you, Josue? Do you like
I
it?
think it'd be better if they were cheaper.
Yeah, they're probably
I'm a fan of
pricey,
it.
but eventually they are going to go cheaper. If you want to save your money, and you don't care about burnouts and two-step and flames and that excitement, that adrenaline that pumps through you when you shift through gears, then by all means, get your Tesla, but that's not for me.
It's faster than your IS300.
Next question.
Plans for Import Unlimited, short and long term.
Terrible. What I'm trying to say by this is next year, 2020, I am going to be working a lot, and I'm not going to have as much as time as I do to make more videos for Import Unlimited. We are going to still be selling parts. As you can see, we have a few of them up here. We've been selling parts a lot, so our inventory is running really low, right, Josue? So as far as Import Unlimited, we're still going to be selling, just not as much as we did last year or this year. But hopefully we can grow out to maybe one day buy a warehouse or open up a shop. You gotta take advantage of it. There's a lot of work right now, hustle and grind.
Soccer or football? Soccer.
If it's tackle, then football. If it's not, then soccer. They're both fun sports. I love them both, but I would probably prefer football. What about you?
Soccer.
Okay, soccer. They're
Is
both
there
awesome.
any job openings?
Next year, 2020, no. But possibly in 2021 and 22, very much likely, yes. So put your applications and send it to import. What is it? Import One Unlimited or Import Unlimited at gmail.com? Import One Unlimited at gmail.com and put a picture of you and your car and put all your information on there.
Thoughts on new Supra?
Thoughts on the new Supra? I like the way it looks. I like the way it sounds. I like the platform.
It's a BMW.
Okay, it's a BMW.
It's a BMW.
It's an amazing car. It's just, I don't think it lives up to the Supra.
It's not a
badge.
Supra. It's a BMW.
That's what I'm saying. It's a good car for what it is. It's i6, it's turbo, it's quick, it's everything. But I do not think it lives up to the Supra badge. Maybe when they have a 6-speed transmission and they just offer a little bit more Supra feel and reliability, I will love it more. But I like it, but not for being a Supra. I like it for what it is, a BMW.
Why are you so beautiful?
Why am I so beautiful? Beautiful has subject to do with opinion. Maybe had God to do something with it.
Agree.
Who cares? I don't really care about being beautiful. I care about being smart.
Okay.
Why am I terrible at spelling?
Yeah.
Because I'm an engineer. I don't need to know how to spell, you know? I'm like a mechanic.
It's like he's
I'm
a
an
doctor.
investor. I don't care about English literature. I care about just working, making money. And for me, it's not important to spell good because I have my phone and I have Google. I don't need to know how to spell. No sweat.
They're asking you.
Alright, next question. Good question though, by the way. I'm terrible at spelling.
When was your first kiss?
That I can remember, I believe I was in elementary. I don't know how old. I don't know how old I was
Player.
though. I do not know how old I was. I don't remember, but I do know I was in elementary. I was probably around 10 to 11. I really would have loved for you to ask me what was my favorite like car or my favorite movie, but you didn't. So I don't care.
Why is there a hat on top of the car?
There's a picture I posted up a few times on Instagram. There's a hat on top of the car. The IS300. I do not know who put it there. I don't remember. I don't know if it was Josue's or not. But for 1,000 likes, we will raffle that hat if you really do like it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
1,000 likes, we'll raffle that hat. We have a anonymous person up here on the Snapchat that wants to shoot, and I got a offer on OfferUp. A bunch of things happening right now, guys. Hold on, bear with me for just one. So we have a question from Carmen from church. She's asking, tell Josue to fix his hair.
Is it bad?
Yeah, I guess so.
What are you doing? Fixing my hair.
Carmen, thank you.
Thanks, sis.
Next.
Plans for 2020.
Oh, plans for 2020 on the personal level, work. I am gonna work so much. I have no life for 2020. I will be working. I will work so hard. If I die, I die.
R.I.P. Samuel. Rest in peace.
Yeah, I'm gonna work so hard for 2020.
Same here. Just study, you know?
Oh, and study and learn, of course. I want to do YouTube, but I'm gonna have to work a lot more. Too many things to get done. Not enough time.
Busy year this year.
Yes.
2020 is our year.
2020 is the year that we are going to just hustle and grind.
Tips for IS300 owners?
Tips for IS300 owners? Remember the time when we changed the light bulbs for the dash? I would totally recommend to do that. The orange ones are terrible. I would probably get a red or blue one. Looks so much nicer.
Just sell the car.
No. The IS300 is an amazing platform to build on. You're just gonna need more money than what you expect. You're gonna need a lot of money if you want to go faster. You know, as far as looks, it looks beautiful, but I would definitely recommend coilovers. Definitely recommend cluster lights to change them. We have videos on that too, by the way. And save up your money, honestly, until you decide to either swap it or boost it or whatever you want to do with it. But for a daily driver, it's a good car. If you want to go fast, do save your money. That's my tip for IS300 owners. Josue, do you agree?
Sell the car.
No,
it's
don't
not
listen to
worth
that.
it.
No.
Trust me on this.
No.
Get yourself a new Honda Civic. Your favorite fast food.
I would probably say Carl's Jr. And secondly, maybe Wendy's. Then third, In-N-Out. What about you?
I just tried Wendy's for the first
For the
time.
first time,
It was great.
it's bomb.
But In-N-Out's still number one.
I don't fit.
Hobbies besides cars.
You go for it. There is no hobbies besides cars. Cars, it's life. Just kidding.
Nah.
I love music. So being a Christian, I love Christian music. That should speak for itself, and that kind of resembles.
Same.
And paintball, we love paintball.
And
We love
soccer.
paintball, we love soccer, and music. That's probably like our go-to sports.
What else?
Video games.
I plead the First Amendment. No, the second. I plead the Second Amendment.
No, I plead the fifth.
Oh yeah, I plead the fifth
The
about my
right
other
to
hobbies
not
that I have.
Guilt myself.
Next question.
What's your work besides Import Limited?
I work for Devotion, so I do landscaping, fence work, hedges, trees, sprinklers, irrigations, everything you can think about that works outside of a house, I basically do. And I've been doing that probably for about 7-8 years. And yeah, you can make good money, but it gets hot here in the valley, so it's a lot of work. The future, I would love to have a shop, love to sell car parts and invest, you know, on other things so I can get away from that. But for now, that's what I'm going to be doing. So thanks for that question. Really great question. Oh, Sweat?
Study, study, study.
He's study, he's a dropout.
Wait, what was the question? Oh yeah, study, study.
He's a dropout.
Never mind,
Look
he's a
where
dropout.
look where he ended up now.
You know, high school dropout.
He's going to drop out.
I'm just kidding, guys.
That
Study,
life.
study, study. High school. That's the life. Who's your best friend?
My best friend? I stopped having best friends because, I mean,
They're just fake.
they're just
Best
no,
friends they're just fake.
They just like, you have friends, but eventually they just move out of, you know, the state, whatever, or they die, or
Yeah.
they just like change career path and you don't see them anymore. So I have a lot of friends, a lot of close friends, but I wouldn't say I have a best friend.
Okay, why don't you post much often?
So I can answer that question. Why
He's
don't
just
we post?
busy, busy, busy.
Very, very busy. I work a lot.
Busy, busy,
and yeah.
Day
what
one.
other
day
questions do
ones.
we got? Ooh.
Stalking for the new sweaters.
The new sweaters. This year we are going to be having a new
Pink.
but not this,
Not this.
junk.
Just pink.
We having a pink sweater with an amazing new logo. It's awesome. It's fresh. It's clean. It's expensive. I'm just kidding. No, it's so affordable. We're going to be doing giveaways, so we'll probably throw in a few of those sweaters if you guys want one. If not, you would have to pay full price. eBay will have that stuff for you guys. But yeah, we're having a new sweater, pink. We're having some shirts on there. We're having black sweaters. We're having really nice apparel this year. So support the channel. If you have any questions, DM us on Instagram. Thank you guys for your questions. I think that's all. Oh my goodness, guys! I just received the craziest question from the audience. How awesome is that? Okay, the question. What was the question? Oh, what was the craziest thing that you have ever done? Oh my goodness, I love that question. Josue, you take
You
it
go
off.
first. You go first.
The craziest thing I've ever done, I just have to be really like,
Talk to the mic.
I did a school prank and I broke into school at midnight. And I
did?
pulled the craziest stunt ever. We've been planning it for weeks. So we were basically going to what they call a closed campus. I cannot speak on YouTube. But it was so epic, so crazy, adrenaline pumping through your veins. It is the most exciting thing I've ever done, and I do 100% recommend do anything like that, because you won't graduate, you won't walk, and that would be very sad to do. This is not for everybody. This is for the strong, the brave, the survivor. That's the craziest thing I've done. Josue is gonna talk about his.
I went 140 with someone called Samuel.
I plead the fifth.
It wasn't him.
I plead the fifth.
That was crazy. Well, thank you for the support this year.
Thank you for buying parts. You guys have been buying. Thank you guys for making this channel what it is. It's awesome to have you guys here. And next year, it'll be even better. For those that haven't, I can't talk today. For those that haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Consider. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. 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 And buy our parts. Buy our parts.
Hi, Sarah. Best friend.
Jumped the fence. We were like
Ninjas.
yeah, like ninja. Then we took it out. You guys have all your questions and shut up.
Thank you. We're gonna make
Wait,
epic now.
is this still on, Jay?
Yeah.
We're still good? Can you see the sweater or the shirt? Thoughts on electric cars.
Wow.
Can I stop you?
What?
People take stuff very personal.
Do they really?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe I'll bend it real quick.
We'll take that back.
Let me ask you again. I'll ask
Scratch
you again.
that.
Okay, slash.
Somebody wanted to buy the coffee table from us right now. I'm off for it.
Who has the best French fries?
Oh,
Rallies.
McDonald's.
No,
McDonald's.
Rallies.
You can't say that.
what?
So we have another question coming in, but sorry, you have to wait till 2020.